If you have this clip here broken, instead of buying a new unit, we can just replace this part. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace it really easily. So first, you have to drop the dustbin. So press this button once and twice, and then quickly remove that. And then to remove the dustbin, there's a little trick to it. So to take this dustbin off, have actually a little trick. So first, you need to remember this angle. This angle, it's not straight. It's about a little bit like this. And then the best way to do it is put on your chest and just twist. You won't break it, just don't worry. Just like that. So it come right out. You may feel a little bit resistant, but it's completely fine. That's how I designed it. And to put it back in, same way, a little bit angle, like that, and just give a press in. And then open up, close, and done. To put it back in there, line up this little tip here to a dustbin first. Okay, line it up and then push it up. And that's how you replace the dustbin.
On this channel, I share simple tips and DIY fixes for Dyson V6, from attachments to maintenance tricks. If you'd like to keep your Dyson running like new, consider subscribing for more.